The Lokayukta sleuths, led by Karwar SP H. Savanur, raided the house of Assistant Commissioner of Commercial Tax Department, Dayanand Pujari, situated near Syndicate Bank at Matadakhani near here, and seized illegal property worth several crores. Kantaya, a residence of Dayanand Pujari, was raided on Thursday, September 11th morning by the Lokayukta sleuths, who had received a tip-off that the farmer had amassed wealth by illegal means. Lokayukta officials also raided Dayanand's farmhouse situated near Mudbidri at the same time. Lokayukta Mangalore SP H.E. Dharmaraj, DYSP Dr. Prabhudev Mane, Inspector Uday Nayak were also present during the raid. The Onam celebrations, organized in the premises of Karavali Institute of Technology, located at Neemarga in the city on Tuesday, September 9th, succeeded in mesmerizing the viewers and introducing to them the unique features of the state festival of Kerala, Onam. The continuous drizzle failed to dampen the spirits of the students who were out to showcase the dances, music, comedy, cultural richness, and traditional costumes of the state of Kerala. Songs from other states, dances, cultural varieties added a different hue to the festival environment at the college premises. The event was organized by Karavali group of colleges. Colorful rangolis at the entrance captivated the onlookers. Enactment of story of Mahabali, Hulivesha, Kathakali, Mohiniyattam, Kalaripayat, Bharatanatyam, folk dances, intricate chen debates, and trumpets interspersed with songs and dances from Manipur, Sri Lanka, etc. created a dreamy world of cultural richness. The students, by volunteering to wholeheartedly getting involved in the celebrations, added to the mood. Karavali Group of Educational Institutions President Ganesh S. Rao, speaking after inaugurating the program, noted that Onam is transforming into a festival that is celebrated by people irrespective of their religious, caste and regional allegiances. The students are set to create a fresh environment by displaying their talents on the occasion, he added.
The spirit of prosperity, the spirit of unity, the spirit of integrity, whether it is raining or hot sun, we have decided to celebrate. We all have joined here and we are celebrating the real festive mood. Life is like that only. There will be problems, there will be appreciations, there will be happiness, there will be sadness. We have to face the life as it is. There is a reason in India, all the religions, all the castes, all the languages, all the we are celebrating various what is the religious and social celebration, and we always prefer to join our hands together so that we can forget all the sorrows and we can be more confident, we can be more caring, we can be more sharing, we can be more loving, so that we can share all our problems, we can share all our happiness, so that always we can unite it and we can be real Indian in the real spirit.
Mangalore University Syndicate member P.V. Mohan, Karavali Group of Colleges Director Lataji Rao, Venkat Rao, Karavali Institute of Technology Principal Professor Akshay Kumar, Nursing Sciences College Principal Professor Stella Mary Sagar, College of Education Principal Professor B. Anand, College of Pharmacy In Charge Principal Professor Sripati Rao, and S.K. Ashok Kumar of Canberra Engineering College were also present on the occasion. Karavali Group of Colleges Administrative Officer Professor Balakrishna Gatti welcomed the gathering. Students Shilpa and Chitra presented the program.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8422141158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
With the recent rise in diesel prices, the private bus operators have sought 15% hike in bus fare at the District Regional Transport Authorities meeting at the District Commissioners Meeting Hall here on Wednesday, September 10th. The Bus Owners Association appealed the public to cooperate with them as hike in bus fare is inevitable due to operational costs. They also appealed the organizations which stage protests and strikes that not to target buses during the strikes.
ಬಸ್ಸಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಂದ ಕುಂದುಕೊರತೆಗಳು ಬಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸುಧಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂತೂ 2 ತಿಂಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದ ಈ ದರ ಏರಿಕೆ ಇಂದು ಬಹಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಗಳು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪತೈಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಥಮ ಕೃತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ದರ ಏರಿಸುವುದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಥವಾ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ದರ ಎಷ್ಟಂತೇಳಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ ಯಾರೂ ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಕಾರ ಎತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಕುಂದುಕೊರತೆಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಸರಿಪಡಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದು ಊರು ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಇರುವುದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಸ್ಸಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಈ ಜನರ ತಮಾಷೆಗಿಂತ ಬಸ್ಸಿನ ತಮಾಷೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕುಂದುಕೊರತೆಗಳು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಸಾರಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಪ್ರಾಧಿಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ.
Meanwhile, District Commissioner M. Maheshwar Rao has said that if public would like to file any objection with regard to the proposed hike in bus fare, they have to do it by Saturday, September 13th. Regional Transport Officer Afzal Ahmad Khan, SP Satish Kumar, leaders and members of various organizations were present during the meeting.